Good morning, Dalia, Ilian, Ivren, Goel, Michael, Isaiah. I hope you guys are doing great. Good to have you back to school today again. Today is Wednesday, and on Wednesdays we have language and science, and we're gonna start with language as usual. So on Monday we introduced the topic adjectives, and we say that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. All right, and you already know what a noun is. So today we're going to continue with the exercise in the book, and we're going to also work on some exercise in the worksheet. So first, let's start with the one in the book, page 203. 203, you write the date. Today is Wednesday, April 29, 2020. Wednesday, April 29, 2020. So you write the date on page 203. And then you have adjectives too. So point while we read. Adjectives too in brackets. Some adjectives tell about the number or color of people, animal, place, or thing. Just like I explained to you on Monday that you have lots of adjectives and it varies. It could be about numbers, it could be about colors, it could be about size, it could be about emotion, it could be about feeling. We have lots of words that describe adjectives. So today we're going to focus on adjectives that tells about number or color of people, animal, place, or thing. And you know what people, animal, place, or things are. They are called nouns. All right, the example says, the 3 puppies are black and white. So there you can see the number 3 as an adjective telling you how many puppies you have. And you have the colors black and white describing the puppies for you. Alright, so the colors black and white are describing the puppies, and the number 3 are also describing the puppies. Remember yesterday I told you that you can have 2 adjectives in a sentence, or 3 or 4, depending on how you want to describe the noun. Alright, so let's do the exercise in the book. It says, look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with numbers, and color the pictures. So the first, number 1 says, dash brown birds. So there we go in number 1, dash brown birds. So it has already given you a clue, brown. So we have to color the bees, sorry, my dear. We have to color the bees brown. So you color the bees brown and then you count them. 1, 2, 3. So you write 3 brown bees. I don't know why the word bees keeps coming to my mouth. All right, so we have 3 brown bees. So you have to color the bees brown. Now the same way you're going to do for the other numbers 2, 3, and 4. And when you're done, you go to the notebook, the language notebook. Open your language notebook and get to worksheet number 10. When you're there on the page, you write the date, Wednesday, April 29, 2020 on top. And then you do the exercise. It says, circle the adjectives. So we are equally identifying adjectives. So here you have red, boy, car, small. So you have to look for all the adjectives on this sheet and circle them. So I'm going to give an example like the color red. It's talking about the car. And you also have small, describing the size. So you have the color and the word small describing the size. So find the other adjectives in the sheet, and when you're done, the same way you go to worksheet 11 and do the same thing. It's also identifying adjectives. Okay, if you have any questions on that, you can send me a message so I can explain further. And then when we're done with that, I'm going to equally go into science at once because we are done with the seasons. So it's just kind of, we're going to review the seasons, go through them again. And I remember I gave a project on Monday. Yeah. So if your project is ready, please send it in. If it is not yet ready, you can use the science time to finish up your project and send it to me. And I think I'm equally going to post one more videos on seasons for you to watch. And I think I also remember sending worksheets where we have the words winter, summer, fall and spring, where you have to write down. I think the worksheets are in the folder. So please check out your folder and you will see a science worksheet with the season topics where you have to trace out the season words. So if you find that in your folder, equally do the exercise and send me a picture of your work. All right, guys, have a wonderful day and hope to see you tomorrow. Ciao.